But as y'all can see, y'all, we are back today with another meal. The same shit we eat every other day.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
Ooh, it looks like they might have actually grilled it.
Oh yeah, these are
Ooh,
just
they forgot
to grill mine
to grill mine.
and a taco. So I got a burrito, a taco, and cinnamon twist.
I got me my favorite Fiesta veggie burrito. No creamy jalapeno. No, chipotle. Yeah. I gotta prep my little mouth for this.
Hot as fuck.
Mmm. Mmm. I feel like it tastes better than the hot sauce. I can't even really see that, but fuck it. It's going in the hole. My boo is gonna be on fire. Mm.
It's leaking. Oh no! That wasn't it. That wasn't it.
Oh.
That was it. That was the one. I fucked this taco up now, y'all. Y'all see this shit? I didn't fuck it all the way up though, to be honest. Look at the lettuce dangling off this shit. Nigga.
Oh, hell, soggy.
It's hot as fuck. The Burp Masters! We're gonna go now.
I can feel it.
Oh my god, I heard you throw up in your mouth, bro.
On the cat! Oh!
You threw up on the cat. Where? Ew, it stinks. Oh my god, bro.
Oh. Ah. That one went right.